Are you a speaker or do you give workshops or ever give trainings? If you do, you must watch this video. I've got some very important tips for you. I'm Stephanie Ward of FireflyCoaching.com, and I love to help small business owners be more visible and get more clients. Okay, for all of you out there in front of people speaking, you must remember this. I tell my clients this all the time. I tell other people, and it's just sometimes you forget because you're getting busy and you're nervous, whatever. This is it. You need to make sure you get photographs and video, if possible, of you on the stage. Now, here are some objections I hear. Well, where I'm speaking, they don't want it to be recorded. I understand. But if you do it from the back of the room, all you will see is heads and you'll see you at the front of the room. So that's a solution there. If you don't know anyone there, before you're speaking, you usually arrive early. So try to find someone, either the organizer or someone else who wouldn't mind just taking a few shots of you, just photos, or a few, like 30 seconds of you speaking. If you bring a tripod, that makes it super easy for them to do it. The point is, every time you speak, every time you give a training, every time you give a workshop, anytime you're in front of a group of people, that is social proof that you have done this, and it's important to add that to your website. And that builds, and then you can get more speaking gigs and more workshops and get feedback and share your testimonials there. People like to see speakers, trainers in action. So put this on a list, take it with you next time you go out to speak, and make sure you get this information, get this social proof, these photos, these videos of you out there in the world doing your thing. It will make a huge difference in helping you grow your business and get even more speaking training types of gigs. Do you always get photos and videos when you talk? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you found this tip helpful, be sure to get a copy of my free special report, 7 Steps to Attract More Clients in Less Time, at my website, FireflyCoaching.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.